In this video I'm going to go over the 44 sounds to make sure that as parents and teachers we're pronouncing them correctly. I'm just using the Smart Kids sound chart, which has pictures on one side and on the other side just the graphemes without the pictures. So starting at the top with the consonants, we've got B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q. In some phonics programs will do Q and U separately, so K, W, S, T, V, W, X. And in Australia we also have the Gz sound in example. The Y sound here, in Australia again we often say Y, which is actually adding a second sound to it. So if you can encourage U sound for yellow, Z. And then we have our digraph, consonant digraphs. Ch, sh, th, voiceless, th, voiced, woo, and zh. Zh is in treasure and camouflage. Okay, then we have our short vowels. A, e, I, o, a. You can also add u. Long vowels. A, E, I, O, U, U. And you can also add ow and oi to make a nice group. And then our control vowels. We have ah, or, and ear. Now for each of these, everything in the row says that sound. So A with all the different graphemes. The first few that are in black are the most common spellings, and then the ones after that are in a dark grey. So each line is helping the child know the different graphemes for that sound. And that's the 44 sounds of English. Thank you.